Hello, my name is Wendy Cárdenas. I am in 4th level English. In the picture of Unit 12, you can see a very large forest. Forest fire which can be caused when the weather is very calm and boiling. They can be caused by the reckless use of fire or burning stubble, or by natural factors such as lightning strikes and high temperatures. In my country, fires of this magnitude have occurred in the city of Quito, which were intentionally caused by people. In my country, the climate is temperate the different regions. In each region, the climate changes. For example, in the mountain it's cold, in the lowlands it's hot, and in the Amazon it's temperate, cold and warm. In my case, I prefer the climate of my region, which is temperate since it is neither too cool nor too hot. Thank you very much.